Ready to upgrade your AI game? Whether you are a beginner or heading toward advanced mastery, these 6 AI tools are your essential roadmap. Tool number 1, ChatGPT, the powerhouse for idea generation, email writing, research, and even code. For beginners, it is your tutor. For pros, it's a co-pilot. Tool number 2, Canva AI, create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, and even full presentations in minutes. Visual storytelling has never been this accessible. Tool number 3, InVideo AI. Convert any script into a cinematic video with voiceover, stock footage, and transitions. Perfect for faceless YouTube automation. Tool number 4, Notion AI. Organize your ideas, create content plans, and build systems. Beginners use it as a smart notebook. Pros use it as a full productivity dashboard. Tool number 5, Pictory AI. Turn long-form content like blogs and webinars into short, shareable videos. Great for repurposing and content expansion. Tool number 6, Descript edit video and audio like editing text. For podcasting, course building, or voiceovers, it is an all-in-one content studio. Beginner stage start with ChatGPT and Canva. Learn how to write, design, and communicate ideas. Intermediate, add InVideo and Notion to start publishing, managing projects, and creating systems. Advanced, use Pictory and Descript to build full video funnels, monetize courses, or automate your content machine. These tools are not just tech, they are your team. No matter where you start, the key is action. Learn, build, and keep creating. Subscribe for more AI playbooks, step-by-step tutorials, and ready-to-use templates. Your future self will thank you.